Hello guys, and what's going on? Today I'm going to be doing some more LeadWerks, and I'm going to be showing you how to make the character come back up to this point after you fall off the platform instead of just falling infinitely. We're going to be using pretty much the same script as last time, but we're just going to be making a few changes. Right, so the first thing you want to do, as usual, is start off with a box. Now this box can be any size as long as it goes out the edges of your platform. Now you want the box to go out all edges of the platform, otherwise you won't respawn when you fall off certain sides. Now the second thing you want to do is go to create, miscellaneous and pivot, and then you want to just put the pivot on the platform. Now we're going to go into our scene, and we are going to get this pivot and call it spawn pause for spawn position, and we're going to call this respawn box. Now the next thing we want to do is go into assets and into your scripts. Now we're going to be doing this on the same map as I made the teleporters tutorial. These are the teleporters that I just edited. Now you're going to go into new and script, and we're going to call this respawn player, and then we're going to click into that, and we are going to keep the same function as last time, the collisions one, because it's going to be determined off a collision. And we are going to do, the first thing we will do is set a variable which is script dot respawn point, and it's going to be an entity, and we're just going to call it respawn pause. Now this script is virtually the same as the other one that I did for the teleporters, because it's using the same way of doing things, but we're just going to change it out to be more like a respawn script and less just using things like tele2 as variables. So we're going to do the same as last time, if entity, and then we're going to get its key value, and the key value we're going to be getting is its name, and then we're going to test its name to be player, and then if its name is player, then this is what we are going to do. So we are going to say that respawn pause is equal to self dot respawn point dot double dot get position, and then we are going to say that entity double dot set position, and we are going to set it back to respawn pause. Now there is a few issues with this script in itself, as in the rotation. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set on respawn pause equal to self dot respawn point, and then we're going to get rotation. Now in the player's main script there is a variable, and it's cam rotation, so we're going to say entity dot script, which is accessing the entity script, which is the player's script, and then we're going to get cam rotation and set it equal to on respawn pause, and this should hopefully work. Now we are going to go into our scene and go to respawn box, and we are going to attach the script of respawn player, I think I called it, and then we are going to set the spawn position, which is right there, into this. Now one thing you can do is take the spawn position and move it down to floor height. So we are then going to run the game, and they are the teleports from last tutorial. That is our respawn box, and when we hit it we respawn up here. Now if you have movable objects like barrels, if you drop them onto that they will stop, they will just stand on it. So what you want to do is you want to go to your respawn box, go to physics, collision type, trigger, and this will conclude our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.